Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're unboxing a keyboard. This is the Ducky 12SF. It's a 65% mechanical keyboard. So I'm hoping that this one is really nice. I'm using a Razer Huntsman Tournament Edition right now. I believe it's the Tournament Edition. I'll put a picture of what it actually is on screen if I'm wrong, but let's go ahead and get this guy out of here. My old one's a TKL layout. This one's 65%, and I got it in the Daybreak color, so I'm hoping it looks good. So this is a little dust cover. I'm gonna hold on to that. Set this to the side. Let's carefully lift this guy out. This guy actually has some decent weight to it. Looks like we have a few other accessories in the box. We got some stickers. It's pretty cool. And we got a user guide. I'm gonna hold on to this because this is probably gonna be important since there's not software for this. So this will have like your warranty, replacement policy, and then like what buttons to hit to switch lighting modes. So this actually has dip switches on it, and it's also hot swappable. So it's one of these ones that you can like fully customize. So let's see what else we have in the box. Alright, so we got some extra keycaps in here. Got a circular keycap too, that's kind of cool. Looks like a lot of these are like custom looking keys. So we can also change the arrow keys to be yellow, so that's kind of neat. I don't think I'm going to change my keys, but we also got a keycap puller here. I'll bring it up a little bit closer so you guys can see this. So just a simple keycap puller, and then this here I believe is our switch puller. Here, let's get this guy out. Yeah, so this is going to be your switch puller, so you can pull out switches, replace them with other switches. I'm not going to be modding this keyboard, mainly because I don't really know what I'm doing, but also don't really have money for that right now. But maybe in the future we will. So hit the like and subscribe button if you would be interested in seeing something like that. So this is a braided USB cable. It's actually pretty nice, high quality. But we're actually going to be using a custom cable. So I'm going to go ahead and close this box up again. Alright, so let's take a look at this keyboard. Alright, so this is all plastic. It's actually really heavy, and I like the feel of it. So I got this with the speed silver switches, and if you look at the bottom here, so we got some adjustable feet. You got this setting here, and then you got one higher if you'd like it to be higher up. I usually just keep mine with the first feet extended, and then here we got your little switches there to adjust stuff. So let's go ahead and turn this guy over, and yeah, the buttons feel really nice. So we'll do a full sound test later, but I like that we got the arrow keys, and I think, yeah, the stabilizers, really good stabilizers it feels like. So this is going to be a lot better than my current keyboard. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like with some other accessories I got. I got this Nova wrist rest for it in blue, and I also got a Galaxy Blue custom cable set from Cable Mod. So let's go ahead and get this stuff combined up with this and see how this looks. Alright, so here it is with the custom cable and the custom little wrist rest. Well, the wrist rest not custom, but the cable, that's gonna look really nice. We got a nice little aluminum shell here that unscrews, and it's all braided. I really like the color of it, especially with this keyboard. I think it looks really nice. But yeah, this is gonna be really nice to game on. Here's what it would look like with mouse. This is my editing mouse, so it's not a gaming mouse, but you get the idea. Let's go ahead and get this put next to my gaming PC, get this all hooked up, and we'll do a sound test with my actual microphone and see how good this thing sounds. Alright, so here's the sound test. We got my microphone positioned above it. So let's go ahead and see how this guy sounds. So overall, I'd say this is a pretty awesome keyboard. I'm excited to test it out in some games. But yeah, I really like how it sounds. It's way better than what my Razer keyboard was. I can bring that in just to show you real quick. Alright, so this here is my Razer Huntsman Tournament Edition. Here, let's move this up. Move this guy right here. Alright, here's like a sound test between the two. Yeah, and also, if I shake this keyboard slightly, there's no sound. This one, on the other hand, very loose sounding, so this is definitely going to be quite the upgrade. Not sure what I'm going to do with this one. I do like the Portal keycaps I got on there. I might put it on those. Not sure, though. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed my view on the Ducky 1.3, please consider hitting the thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. We're almost to 1,000 actually, so it means a lot to me if you subscribe and like the video and comment what you think of this review. If you want me to maybe mod this keyboard in the future, see if I can get it to sound even better. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.